What the heck?
That's so cool. That's giant.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's not anything bad.
No, it's nothing bad. I think it's a rocket going to space. Like, it's probably going to put up a satellite or something.
That is beautiful.
Isn't that gorgeous? That's crazy, huh?
It's gorgeous. It's amazing. I'll just send this to Mom.
Give it a sec.
She's just recording it right now. Wow.
That's
It's crazy though.
It seems like it's going like straight away from us now.
It's amazing. It's beautiful.
What in the world?
It's so big. It's so
Yeah.
cool.
Your camera makes this look gorgeous.
That's cool. Good. Yeah, that's nuts.
It's fading. Or it's
Yeah.
like going through clouds or something.
I think it's just going straight away, and I think it's so high up. Or maybe the fire is burning out a little bit. I don't know.
That just looks so cool.